Well, good morning there, big country. It's starting to feel a little bit like summer as a high pressure system dominates over the Lone Star State. Even with the cold front that moved through this weekend, temperatures even yesterday still leaning above average. As we look ahead to the next few days, temperatures will continue to rise. That's all thanks to that same cold front that stalled out a little bit further towards the southeast. It's expected to move back up north as a warm front, allowing for temperatures to continue to climb. We'll continue seeing winds out of the south, but as of this morning, already some sea breeze showers along the south and east. Right now, Max Live radar is showing a clear sweep of the conditions with temperatures into the mix of the 30s and 40s. Still seeing at least one Lone Ranger at 50 degrees over out in Sweetwater, just a degree above freezing. We were at freezing closer to about 4 this morning over out in Eastland. 40 degrees out near Albany, 45 here in the Key City, 41 over out in Robert Lee and Ballinger. But air you can wear is something you should expect as you step out the door. Relative humidity values, especially over our central and even eastern edges of the big country, up to 100% relative humidity near Breckenridge and Goldthwaite, meaning that we can expect a little bit of dew on tops of grassy surfaces and even on top of the windshields as you step out the door. Hopefully you're enjoying this summer-like pattern, and if you're expecting a little bit of change, well, unfortunately, may not arrive until we get to the end of this week into the weekend. But currently winds are fueling out of the south, mostly calm, but only about as strong as 9 miles per hour. Today we'll keep winds gusting up to the potential up to 20 miles per hour. However, we are going to be chasing a few records along the way this week. Today, the record of 79 degrees. It's likely we could tie, if not just stay shy of the record. Christmas Day, unfortunately, not the same luck, as we could be about 2 degrees above that record. Not only that, but also the same fate heading into Saturday as we look forward to temperatures maintaining into the 80s thanks to something called the Omega block pattern, where high pressure sits overhead the state of Texas. So perhaps for Santa on the wish list, cooler temperatures and maybe even a little bit of some rain showers to go with it. Christmas Eve heading into the overnight hours will fall to 59 degrees, adding a little bit more cloud cover, keeping a partly cloudy night with a little bit of a light breeze. Then heading into Christmas Day, record heat, 83 and mostly sunny, also paired a little bit of a light breeze. So for those kiddos expecting to go outside and enjoy those bikes, scooters, or perhaps even roller skates, it'll be a perfect day outside for you. Overall, Futurecast shows a little bit of some cloud cover that will develop through the early morning, burning off into the afternoon, while most of us see plenty of sunshine. That's what's going to allow those temperatures to continue climbing, not only today, but over the course of the next few days. However, heading into tomorrow morning, we start off with low-level clouds. Now, there is a chance we could see just enough moisture in the atmosphere to squeeze out a little bit of mist and drizzle. At least that's what our high-resolution model anticipates. Before we get to the afternoon, clear the skies and even keep those conditions clear heading into Tuesday night. Before today, we'll call it a high of 78, a humid start. The temperatures approaching the record, breezy winds into the south-southwest, 5 to 10, gusting to 20. Then tonight, low 59, we could reach a record warm low temperature as cloud cover builds overnight. Winds into the south-southwest, 10, gusting to 20 miles per hour. Unfortunately, allergies will remain high. Humidity will also increase throughout the next few days, allowing for those temperatures not only to be warm, but also to be humid with a cold front moving